Hey everybody, it's Erin Reed, and we are back doing a fun little craft something for my daughter. So I've created this apron a long time ago, and we added in this flower and then another flower. And this is actually from Canvas Core, and so is this big flower. This little one's actually from Prima. And she has been wanting to personalize it. So I got my Joy iron-on embroidery letters, and she picked out the silver ones. So the first step I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pop out her name, and her full name is Catherine. And I asked if she wanted to go Cat or Catherine. She goes, I want Catherine. So that's what we're going to do. I have these little weights right here, so I'm just going to place them. I really don't think I need them, but I'm just going to place them on here to make sure I get it nice and smooth. And I'm going to go ahead and pop all these letters out. And also, as a side note, check the end of the video because I have some information about a wonderful idea that a whole group of us artists are doing, which is trying to help support all the video YouTubers that don't have enough hours or subscribers to get them to the monetization. So check the end of the video for all that information. Also, if you want to see the video of how I created this, it's super simple. About how I created this apron, the link is up in the iCard. Okay, so the next step you're going to do is you're going to take your iron and you're going to set it to go to cotton. So all the instructions are purely on the back side, and if you don't have a cotton setting, then about 350 degrees. So for me, my cotton setting is a number 6, and I've had it plugged in for a little while. The other thing you want to do, so that way you don't ruin your letters, is you want to put some sort of barrier over top of the letters to prevent them from getting a little bit damaged. So I'm just going to take this little piece of, it's not wax paper, it's parchment paper. I made that mistake another time I said it. So take a little bit of parchment paper, and if I go corner to corner like this, then I am good to go. I am also going to take my little weights, since I have them, and I'm going to lay them down. That way it's not going to be floating around too much. I still need to get my iron in here. So I'm going to do these by sections. I want to make sure that these are lined up. And if you notice, I'm going along this edge right here. And I'm just making sure that they're all nicely lined up. And I'm using this edge right along here as my guide. So just lay it down. Put this right here. And then go in with your iron. And I don't think I'm going to do this in 2 batches. So I'm going to start here. And it takes about 25 seconds. So we're going to speed this up to 25 seconds. So I've just readjusted it to do the top side because I didn't get to the top very well, and I'm going to do it for another 25 seconds. Last thing is just to make sure the glue is really set on here by ironing it on. As you flip it and you iron it for another 25 seconds, and I think I can hit it all from this direction, pressing firmly for another 25 seconds on the back side of the garment. So that's it. That couldn't get any simpler. She now has a personalized little apron that she can wear when she does her crafts, that she has picked out her flower that we did previously, and now that we have her name on it, it is definitely hers. This could so be a fun little craft or an idea that you can do if you have like a kids party or something. I mean, the ideas are endless, and the colors of all the fun little aprons, I mean, you can have a blast with them. So don't forget to pull out some of your personalized iron-on letters. It is so simple. The event is called #ThanksForWashingArt, which the link is down below and you just saw it here on the screen. The whole point is it's a video hop, and you're going to go through and see some amazing artists doing things that they love. I do DIY, I do crafts, I do kids stuff, I do kind of the gambit. Anything that's fun and crafty, that's what I'm game for. This is just one of the many fun things that I do. Some of the other artists, they're really into arts. They'll do, paint, pouring, they'll do all kinds of stuff. Acrylics, mixed media, cards, all kinds of things. The whole point is to get some watch time for all those artists who have channels who may not have been discovered yet, who may not have the viewership. So make sure to go check a look. The link is down below, so that way you can give all these amazing artists some love, subscribing, and also giving them some time that you're watching their videos. So that's it. Thanks so much for stopping by. All supplies are listed below for where you can find these fun things, and I appreciate it. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye-bye.